Hey guys, this is just a quick unboxing. Alright, so this is how the box looks like. It's supposed to be USB 3.0, 1080 60p. Alright, it should be pretty easy to set up. What I'm going to show you guys in my future videos is how to set it up on your Mac and how to hook up everything. Well, the hookup is pretty easy, so it's pretty standard. However, I will show you Mac, just because it's a little bit different. Alright, so to take it out, let's just do that. Once again, box wise, that's all the info you get from it. Let's put that on the side. And what do we get inside of this thing? Alright, so here we go. I don't know, this looks like it's being opened already, because I can see it's a little bit dirty on the top, and usually there's some plastic here, so this does lead me to believe that this has been opened. However, it was sealed with plastic, so usually when it's sealed, it's sealed. Alright, I really hope it wasn't already opened, because I did not buy something that was open box, but brand new. So this is it. It's smaller than an iPhone. Alright, so an iPhone goes up to around there. Yeah, around there. The width's almost about an iPhone. Yeah, iPhone width. It's not heavy at all, okay? It's very light. I don't know if you guys have an Apple TV, but an Apple TV is maybe 3 times the weight of this, around. That's what it feels like, at least. So this is it. So here's your in, HDMI, right? Here's your other cable, out, HDMI, info, and that's it. There's not much to this. It's really simple, and it's actually really simple to set it up. So let's just put this on the side for now. You do get instructions, alright? However, usually useless. Let's look at this. The setup process. Okay, so the box does actually tell you the setup, and you can get a quick glance here. So I'm gonna set it up myself will be with an Xbox One S. Just a sticker, don't care about, and that's it. So let me just put the sticker back here. Alright, so that's all that's in the actual box. Then we just get cables. Let's take a look at what cables we get with this. Alright, so we get this cable. So this actually is a very important cable. And then we get HDMI. So I said it's very important because the other one is pretty standard. It's just the HDMI cable. You guys could buy others. It won't be a big difference. What's the back say? With this cable, there you go. Just in case you guys want to see that. And with the other cable, it was this. All right. Here we go. Just standard cable. It's nothing fancy. It is a little bit better than, you know, the really cheap cables that you can get for $3. I can see the quality from it already. And this, like I said, is the most important cable that you will get. And it's pretty easy to set up. So I'm gonna do setup later on with how to install on your computer for Mac, but this is it right now. Here you go. And that's all you get in the box, guys. Anyways, hopefully you guys found this unboxing useful somewhat. Again, I'm gonna make a review later on. That's in a few months to see how this is working. And the setup video, that's coming up right away, actually, with my Mac. And that's this unboxing. If you guys have any questions, comments, you can write them down here in the comments area. And don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.